Good evening. Today's news is brought to you by Being Responsible. News and Current Affairs, 23rd March 2021, Tuesday. Jammu and Kashmir, JNK. The Pulkari 2021 festival is being organized on 27th and 28th of March in Mansar and Jammu on behalf of the Directorate of Tourism, Jammu. In these programs, Punjabi singer Rohanpreet Singh along with Afsana Khan Gursaz will spread the magic of their voice. Tourism Director, Jammu, Dr. Naseem Javed Chaudhary informed that many activities will be conducted in Mansar on March 27 in Pulkari Festival. These includes from MTB Surinsar to Mansar, nature walk and live painting competition, etc. Earthquake tremors were felt in Ladakh on Tuesday. According to the National Center of Seismology, the earthquake intensity on Richter scale has been measured at 3.0. At the moment, there is no news of any casualties. Kathua 54 canals of land to be acquired for sewage treatment plant. Himachal Pradesh Staff Selection Commission has declared the result of written exam for 136 posts of TGT Medical. 415 candidates have passed this exam. In Himachal Pradesh, in the last week of March, between the yellow and orange alerts, the peaks have covered a white sheet of snow. Rainfall and snowfall continued for the second day on Tuesday in the state. There is fresh snowfall in the high peaks of Lahaul Spiti, Kullu, Chamba, Kinnaur district. The snowfall has resulted in a drop in temperature in tribal areas. Atal Tunnel Rohtang is currently closed for tourist movement due to bad weather. Punjab. Farmer Movement. Farmers wearing yellow turban will celebrate Martyrdom Day tomorrow. In stage will be commanded by the youth. Farmers from all over the country will celebrate Martyr Day on Tuesday at picketing sites. During this time, farmers' associations will remember the sacrifice of Shahid Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev. Uttarakhand. The Nirmal Akhara is the most recent of all the 13 Akharas. Nirmal Akhara is a believer in the Ganges and the scriptures. The Akhara considers Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj as well as Guru Granth Sahib adorable. This is the only arena where smoking of any kind is strictly prohibited. On the royal bath of Mahakumbh in April, there will be one-way roads and highways of the fair area. If a vehicle or pedestrian walks on the wrong side, an alert will immediately reach the fair control room. Police personnel doing duty in that area from the control room will be sent to the spot immediately. Haryana. The Haryana government has appointed Bhopal Singh, a resident of Yamunanagar, as the new chairman of Haryana Staff Selection Commission. Along with the chairman, the government has also appointed 5 new members after the approval of the governor. The notification regarding appointment was issued by Chief Secretary Vijay Vardhan on Tuesday. Haryana and Punjab are troubled by the problem of burning stubble. Officers of both states study stubble management through biodecomposer technology. Biocomposer centers will be opened in each district regarding straw management in both states. Delhi. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear the new petition filed by the Delhi Jal Board. The petition has asked the Haryana government to stop releasing contaminated water in the Yamuna and give adequate water to Delhi. A 3-member bench headed by Chief Justice S.A. Bobde listed the case hearing on Thursday. Raghav Chadha, chairman of the Delhi Jal Board, said in a statement released earlier this month that the continuous decline in the water level of the Yamuna, especially during the summer days, and increase in polluting elements is a matter of great concern. Rajasthan 22 March 2021. News. The state government is going to launch the Mukhyamantri Chiranjeevi Yojana in April to give the benefit of medical insurance to all the residents of Rajasthan. Under the Chief Minister Chiranjeevi Yojana, medical insurance of up to 5 lakh rupees will be available to each family of the state. They will also get the benefit of this scheme in government and allied private hospitals. Uttar Pradesh. Due to the 3-tier Panchayat elections to be held in UP, the changes in the schedule of UP board examination are being decided. As per the previously announced schedule, the board examination were to be held from April 24th, but due to the Panchayat elections can now be held from the first week of May. On Tuesday, on the eve of Rangbhari Ekadashi, Kashi Pujari Pati reached Gaja Baje's in-laws' house of Gauraz Gauna. After the arrival of Baba's Barat at the Mahant abode, there was a traditional welcome here with dry fruits and colorful kool. On Rangbhari Ekadashi on Wednesday, colors and gulal will be flown from the Mahant residence to the streets of Kashi. Union Territory Chandigarh. Pratik Bachchan, aka B. Prak, from Chandigarh, who won the Best Playback Singer award at the 67th National Film Awards for the song Teri Mitti from Kesari film. The song Teri Mitti was written by lyricist Manoj Muntashir and composed by Arko Pravo Mukherjee. The song was released in March 2019. B. Prak is a Punjabi music director, music composer and singer. Thank you. Have a good day.